Hi guys, listen, I want to clear up a confusion that people have, especially if they're cutting calories, but they're not losing weight. I don't know if this ever happened to you, but so many people keep telling me this over and over again. I don't know, reducing my calories, I'm just not ending up with weight loss. Well, there's a couple things you need to know. This only works the first time you do it. This only works if you're 18 years old or you have a healthy metabolism or your hormones are really, really healthy, okay? Every time you do it again and again and again, you're going to slow your metabolism. Your body's going to adjust to the calories that you're inputting into it. Okay, so basically dieting reduces your metabolism. It destroys the set point, that weight point that your body gravitates into comfortably. Some people it's 150, some people it's 180, some people it's 130. So no matter what you do, whether eating, your body kind of goes into that certain comfort zone. That's your set point. The way to destroy your set point is to diet. Now, we really have three variables. We have your calories that you're eating from fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. You have your actual metabolism, your body's efficiency of burning those calories, and then you have your activity level, and you have all different combinations of all three. Okay? What you need to know is that even though there are more calories in fat than carbohydrate, the calories in fat and protein, as far as food, are not all used to make fuel. A good amount of the protein and fat that you eat are replacing body tissue, okay? Muscle, brain tissue, cell, hormones, neurotransmitters, all that. But 100% of the calories from carbohydrate are used for fuel. So this idea that I'm going to start cutting back calories on fat, for example, thinking that's going to end up in weight loss may not work for you. All right, so I just want to clear that up. Now, it's true that you can start to exercise more, all right, and burn off more calories, because everyone knows if you just need to cut calories and exercise more and you're going to lose weight, but not necessarily, because the calories that you're burning might not be fat calories. So if your goal is just to burn calories in general, you may be burning stored calories as sugar calories, that's your glycogen reserve, or your actual muscle protein. Is that the kind of calories you want to lose? I don't think so. So really, I think your goal is to burn fat, right? So to do that, what you have to do is you have to manipulate and understand the hormone aspects of this. If you cut your carbs, you're going to lower insulin, okay? And that will force your body to start tapping into fat. The hormone that determines whether you burn your stored sugar or muscle or actual fat is insulin. So you got to keep insulin low. I put several links down below to get that information of how to do that. But in this video, I wanted to kind of clear up some general concepts on calories and why lowering your calories may not work for weight loss, especially if your metabolism is slow. All right, so put your comments below. Tell me what you think.